Hey gang, it's Anne Marie here. Welcome back to the channel. I am a certified senior advisor here in the DFW Metroplex, and I'm here to help you sort out all things senior related. And today I want to talk to you about Senior Moving Company. I have known them forever. I have recommended them to families forever, but they just moved my parents, and so I got the whole firsthand experience of working with them. Lori Olson is one of the people that work there, and I did a little interview with her, so you'll hear her in the background. But just know that these people are incredible. And while you can just do a straight up move with them, you can, say, I need this, this, and this, and this done. You can also do what we did and just have them do absolutely everything. And when I say everything, I mean they came in, they measured all the furniture with that mom and dad were taking with them. They measured the new apartment. They made a space plan so that you could tell where things were supposed to go. They let my parents mull it over and move things around till they got it just right. And then they showed up and they packed everything. They were so careful not to pack things that my parents would need overnight because the actual move was the next morning. And every single employee of Senior Moving Company walked up to my parents before they left, looked them in the eye and said, is there anything else we can do to make you more comfortable before we leave today? And they were serious and they did it. They are so respectful. They were so kind and patient. So let's talk to Lori and hear a little bit more about them.
Senior moving works a little bit different in respect that our clients are seniors and they need a little more help. It's a lot of guiding at the beginning, resource seeking, advising. We can shred and coordinate shredding for them. We can coordinate digitalization of photos or important documents. We'll create it for them. We'll give them a little tutorial on how to do it. And so you can either do the whole buffet or you can pick and choose what needs to be done. So we may have a senior who's perfectly capable of doing a lot on their own. So in that case, our role may be just to simply come in, pack up what they need packing, and they're going to handle all the rest on their own. We certainly offer that, in addition to the fact that we are also affiliated with beacons. So we can do moves from state to state and even internationally. We can coordinate storage for maybe somebody who's doing a interstate move or an international move as well. We do everything associated with our move. So we will do all the services of a senior move manager. And then in addition to that, we have our heavy guys, what I call our heavies. They come in and do the heavy lifting and do the moving for us and bring in the big semis. So those are our people. In many senior move managers contract that portion out, and so we have complete control of that.
They are amazing. I hope that you'll consider using them soon.